In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Flipbook Style in Kaiber. We'll go from a blank canvas to a charming animated Flipbook Style video, and I'll explain what to do at each moment so you feel confident the first time you try it. First, log into Kaiber. Once you're in, look for the option to create a new project and click on Create a Video. This opens the workspace where everything comes together. On the Video Model menu, select Flipbook Video. This style is designed to mimic the feel of hand-flipped drawings, with snappy frame changes and a nostalgic page-by-page vibe. Choosing it up front helps Kaiber tailor the animation and transitions to that classic effect. Next, describe the subject you want to bring to life. Think of this like giving clear directions to a creative partner. Be specific and visual. Mention who or what the subject is, what it's doing, the setting, and the overall mood. For example, you might describe a character walking through a rainy city at night, lit by neon signs. Use descriptive language and include key details about motion and atmosphere so the flipbook effect has strong guidance. Now upload an image to anchor the look. This can be a reference photo, a sketch, or a design element that sets the tone. Choose something high quality with clear shapes and lighting. If your subject is central, make sure it's well framed and not cluttered by a busy background. This gives Kaiber a solid visual starting point that matches your description. Then select styles. Browse until you find a look that complements the flipbook aesthetic you're going for. You might gravitate toward textured, hand-drawn, or monochrome finishes, or something bolder and more graphic. Pay attention to how contrast, line weight, and color palettes influence readability from frame to frame. Flipbook motion tends to shine when the silhouette is clear. Add audio to set the rhythm. The soundtrack will drive the energy of your flipbook, whether that's playful, dramatic, or calm. Pick music or sound that matches your subject's pace and mood, and make sure you have the right to use it. If your audio has distinct beats or sections, your motion will often feel more cohesive when the visuals align with those moments. When everything looks right, hit generate. Kaiber will process your inputs and build the flipbook style animation based on your description, image, style choice, and audio. Give it a moment to render, then watch it through from start to finish to appreciate how the frames snap together into that signature flipbook flow. And that's it, you've just created a flipbook style video in Kaiber.